Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here and type control panel and then go to network and sharing center, and if you can't find it, click here and make it small icons and then click on it. And after that, click change adapter settings, and here you will find your internet connection or Wi-Fi. Just right click on it and then click disable. Now just wait a few seconds and like 1 minute, and then right click and enable it. And after that, just go back, go to your browser and then click here and then go to history, and now click clear browsing data, and that's it. Now just clear data, make sure it's all time and select those three options and then clear data, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.